In this video, we will explore how to add a toolbar in Windows 11. This feature can enhance your productivity by providing quick access to your favorite applications and tools. Adding a toolbar to the taskbar in Windows 10 is quite straightforward. Simply right-click on the taskbar, select New Toolbar, and then add a folder containing shortcuts to your favorite applications. Once the toolbar is added, you can easily launch applications by selecting them. However, you may have noticed that this feature has been removed in Windows 11. As you watch this video, I will show you the best alternative I've found for creating a similar experience. Let's dive into it. To add a toolbar in Windows 11, I'm going to use a free software solution. It's quite easy to find. Simply search for Tray Toolbar on GitHub. As of this video, version 1.6.0 is the latest release, so be sure to download your free copy. Let's go through the installation process together. Fortunately, the application does not require any installation. Simply unzip the archive, and you're ready to go. Once you've extracted the files, we can move on to setting up the toolbar. Let's take a look at how to configure it to suit your needs. The first time you run the application, it will check for the .NET Runtime 8. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll need to download and install it before proceeding. This is a necessary step to ensure that the toolbar functions correctly. Once you've completed the installation, we can start setting up your new toolbar. Before starting the toolbar application for the first time, I suggest creating a dedicated folder. You can name it whatever you prefer. Once you've created the folder, place all your program shortcuts inside it. To do this, simply drag and drop the shortcuts from your desktop into the new folder. When you start the Tray Toolbar, you will be greeted with the Settings window. This is where you can set the folder containing your shortcuts and assign a shortcut hotkey for quick access. I like to use the hotkey Ctrl plus Windows key for quick access to the toolbar. This combination allows me to bring up the toolbar effortlessly whenever I need it. I also recommend checking the box to run the application at login. When you're finished, press the Save button to apply your settings. After that, it's a good idea to reboot Windows to check if everything works as expected. After Windows restarts, you should find a folder icon in the system tray. You can easily drag this icon to the taskbar and pin it there for quick access. Now, you can run any shortcut you've added to the toolbar with just a simple mouse click. Right-clicking on the icon will open the settings window, allowing you to adjust your toolbar preferences. Alternatively, you can also use the right-click menu to open the folder where the shortcuts are located, giving you quick access to manage your applications. This flexibility makes it easy to customize your toolbar according to your needs. Of course, you can use the defined hotkey at any time to display your favorite tools right at your fingertips. This concludes our tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy enhancing your productivity with this handy toolbar in Windows 11.